Hello Techie Talks, welcome back. This is Lavanya, and in today's video we are going to see which testing profile to opt for non-technical people or people who are having lot of confusion to choose which testing profile. So, guys, I have been getting repeated emails asking, "Hi Lavanya, I am going to choose testing as my profile, but I'm confused which testing job to opt because there are a lot of options in testing job, but I'm not getting exactly a clear idea which testing job to choose." So basically, not only people of non-IT background, even people of CSE students or people who are interested in testing profile, they are getting few confusions that which profile will suit me better. In case if I choose this profile, will I get a good career growth or not? So these many questions I have been repeatedly getting through emails. So I decided to make a video and make you understand which profile will be suitable for which candidates. So I'll be sharing you all the details, like how many testing, even in testing we have various profiles. So I'll be sharing you the testing profiles in this video with a clear explanation, guys. So before that, if you are watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed Techie Talk yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And also, if you feel this information is useful, share it with your friends, Facebook and in your networks so that our channel will get popularity. Without any delay, we'll get into the topic. So now coming to, there are many software testing jobs available. So now coming to the first one, which is most demanded and most popular in the current market for testing people. If you say testing people, most of the companies will look for this profile only, that is automation testing. And also this automation testing is highly demanded in the market, and also career option future wise, this will be a really bright future, guys, because automation testing is nothing but you are automating a repeated work process. Say you are doing manual testing, and repeatedly when there is an a production or when you are deploying the code in the releases, you frequently, when you do the same operation repeatedly, those test cases we are frequently you test few test cases frequently. When you test few test cases repeatedly, those test cases are automated. So in this you eliminate the manpower here, and you perform automation, and automation will show you the results as it is in a shorter span than manual testing. So that's why most of the companies prefer automation testing. So in this automation testing, you have to choose Selenium Web. If you choose and learn this course, you will get very easily job into automation testing, guys. But for this Selenium Web driver course also, a basic of any programming language is required, because this Selenium is being implemented on plain Java. If you have bit knowledge on Java is also good, where you will learn this Selenium very easy, guys. Even though if you are a non-IT background or you have worked on any support, now you are trying to switch on this automation testing. If you feel that you cannot learn programming so easily, how can I choose this as a career option? If you have such doubts, I mean, Selenium doesn't require an in-depth knowledge of any programming language. Basics is enough. So if you just learn basics of any programming language like Java or Python, then Selenium will become and very easy for you. Where if you take 3 months to learn Selenium without programming knowledge, if you have Java knowledge, you will learn in 1.5 months, guys. So also even you will get job options very easily if you learn the Selenium and try for automation testing. So why I am highly suggesting this Selenium is because this Selenium, as I said earlier, the Selenium has more demand in the market, and job openings wise also there are huge openings. So if you just have knowledge and if you are good at technically, you will get job very easily. And package wise also they are offering very good package, guys. Starting level itself you will get around 6 LPA. So if you have some experience on growing, you will be able to increase your packages more. So coming to the second option is, in case if you say that you don't want to learn any programming language, I'm not good at programming language, or I'm not interested to learn programming language now, then I would suggest you to go for performance testing. So, people who are not at all interested in coding and they want just a job as a tester, then I would highly recommend to go for performance testing. The performance testing is done based out of few tools. So there are few popular tools in the market like JMeter and Load Runner and Load Balancer. So you can choose any one of the tool and explore it and learn it, and it will take hardly 15 to 1 month to explore these tools and learn it. So if you get knowledge of this, you can easily get job as a performance tester along with manual tester. So guys, you will not get a performance tester job alone. You have to, a manual tester is the person who takes care of performance tester also. So that's why you can choose options like to become a manual tester. The manual tester job role is to write the test cases and test the product manually. So performance tester is like they will use tools to test the performance of the application. So these both are tied together. So you cannot get only a performance tester job role. Along with that, you will be responsible to do manual testing also, guys. So who doesn't want coding, I highly recommend you to choose this manual testing along with performance testing, guys. So for this performance testing, make sure you know some testing tools like JMeter or Load Runner tools. So guys, coming to the next option is, if you're a person who knows well of database skills, or you have basic knowledge on SQL, so you are interested with the queries rather than any programming language, then you can choose an ETL testing. So this is one of the best career option for the people who are good at database skills and also who are having SQL query knowledge, writing SQL queries, and are good at queries. They can choose this ETL testing. Else, if you have knowledge in your if you know that, else if you feel that you will be able to learn SQL, then it is good that you first learn SQL. If you feel that you can learn SQL and become a ETL tester, that option is also good, guys, because learning SQL will hardly take 15 days. So if you learn this SQL parallelly, you can also explore this ETL testing, and you can easily become an ETL tester, guys. And also for this ETL tester, the salary wise also it is very good. Last option I would say is, last one is API testing, guys. So this API testing is nothing but, REST service testing. Like example, we implement a service, developer implements a service like REST API services. Those services are tested, guys, individually, whether is it working or not. So this API testing is done via few API tools. So you have to explore these tools and become an API tester, guys. So this API tester, you need not have any language like programming language, those are not required. Just the knowledge how do you perform API testing and REST APIs are tested. If you know this knowledge, that is enough, guys. And also popularity wise, this API testing is having huge demand in the market. So it is better option to choose if you are willing to become an API testing, guys. So these are the few testing profiles which I would recommend if you are planning to switch your career from non-IT background to IT background, and people who are really interested on testing and wanted to pursue their career in testing profile. You can choose in this one of the option and start your career, guys. So I hope in this video you have got some information. If you have found this video useful, make sure you share it with your friends, and also hit a like button if you have liked this video. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to Techie Talk, make sure you subscribe and support our channel. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.